Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm working with some onion and some potatoes, and I'm going to be making some English roasties. Really fun to make and really delicious. Typically eaten at breakfast, but these little roasties are good any time of day. Check it out. Alright, I've got about 3 or so medium-sized potatoes, and I'm peeling these. Not worrying about getting every little bit of the red off, but mostly. I'm going to drop them into a pot of water. Bring those to a boil and boil them for about 20-25 minutes until the outsides are soft, but the insides are still uncooked. Gonna take those out of the water and set those aside and let them cool for about a half an hour to an hour, just so I can handle them. I'm gonna chop up one onion pretty finely, and I'm gonna drop that into a saute pan. I just want to cook those onions in some oil until they're just translucent. I don't need to caramelize them or anything. Just want them cooked. You can see, got them in a nice pan there. And just after a couple minutes, they're ready to go. So I'm going to take those off the heat. Now my potatoes have cooled, and I'm going to grate them with a coarse grater. Pretty easy to do, actually. It was kind of fun to grate these potatoes. And I'm just going to grate them all up. You get that soft outer layer and a little bit denser inner layer all mixed together. Then I'm going to add my onions. And I'm going to add my spice mix. You can check out the spice profile on my website. The full recipe came out really nice. Now I'm going to mix that up together. And I'm going to start forming my roasties. Now, one thing I think I would have done differently on this is I would have really packed them a lot tighter. Maybe made them a little bit bigger and packed them just a lot tighter. I think that would kind of help them hold together a little bit better in the long run. Still, these came out really, really nicely. Pack up my roasties. I'm going to get a hot pan with some oil in it. This is basically at the smoking temperature on a hot oil. And I'm going to brown the roasties and then flip them over, brown the other side. Just looking to get a nice brown on both sides. And then I'm going to put them in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 20 minutes. You can see I'm flipping my roasties. Put them on a parchment paper in the oven, 20 minutes, 400 degrees, and there you have it. Alright, my roasties are done. Let's give these a try. Mmm. That is really delicious. Love that potato flavor. The spice is just perfect. Try this one out. I think you're going to like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. That is so good. Wow.